My father, recently he got sick and we didn't know what was wrong. I was nervous and I cried because I didn't know how my dad would turn out afterwards.
When Roland came up, I realized this is a gentleman who is very sweet and kind, but unaware of his medical condition or unaware of the severity of his kidney disease, and we needed to act quickly.
My father's energy was low. He had trouble doing the normal day-to-day things. He had trouble breathing. Most times he sounded as if he was drowning. He couldn't do any of the things he used to do. Just walk a city block was too hard. To me, I thought it was heart failure, and I had him going to a lot of cardiologists and trying to figure out what was going on. And Monogram stepped in to help us to understand it was kidney failure.
When I first began working with Roland, he was kind of distrustful of medical care in general. His blood pressure was through the roof, and the worst things I've seen in my nephrology career is when a patient crashes into dialysis.
Having kidney failure, my father didn't believe it at first. So to have a nephrologist actually come to your house, that is a big deal. It made my father, I think, feel very special. It felt as if someone cared about what was going to happen to you next.
Monogram come to your house and show you different things and check on you, your medicine and everything else. Sometimes the doctor comes and sit outside me. It makes me feel good to have Monogram come to me.
When Roland first came to Monogram in early 2023, we knew he needed a different kind of care. One that looked at the full picture, not just his kidney function. For Roland, it wasn't just about dialysis. He was also managing his other conditions like his heart disease and other vascular concerns, and we addressed these alongside his kidney care.
In the healthcare system, it can be quite confusing, and I feel that Monogram came in and helped with all of the confusion that I had in getting the correct care for my father. Dr. K called me constantly to give me guidance, to instruct me, what appointments we needed to do next, who we needed to see. He just put me on a path that kept things organized. A lot of times people end up with dialysis in a very rushed fashion. They end up with a port in their chest, and it's very traumatic. With Monogram, we were able to take our time. He received mapping prior to receiving dialysis. The process felt very specialized and personalized for my father.
Because he met the evidence-based criteria to start dialysis, our team was able to guide him through a thoughtful, optimized start, not a crash into dialysis. We worked closely to ensure he could begin treatment in a high-quality dialysis clinic that was the right fit for him. As a dialysis agnostic provider, I find that flexibility is part of what makes Monogram different. An optimized start is when we have the fistula or the graft or the peritoneal dialysis catheter in place for when the patient needs it, when the patient gets symptomatic, when the patient gets uremic. We do have the access ready, and we are in touch with the patient and ensuring that they start as an outpatient, going to a dialysis center and ensuring that that crash doesn't happen.
So with Monogram, my father has been able to get his blood pressure under control. They talk to him about his medications. So without me being there every day, my dad understands his care a lot better.
Monogram helped me start dialysis. It felt real good. It felt like, you had somebody that really care about your health and everything else.
We continue seeing them even after starting dialysis. We see him in the dialysis clinic. He knows me. He's on the transplant list right now, and once he gets the transplant, he'll be the happiest person in the world. And that's the power of early intervention, coordinated care, and a team that never lets go.
With Monogram, I never feel alone. They always working with you. They're working with your family, they're working with your people in your house, and everything else. I feel supported with Monogram.
Monogram means it pretty much saved my dad's life. It just means everything to me.